Hi, my name is Alexander and I am from Suceava, which is a city from Romania. I am 20 years old and I am studying electrical engineering at Ștefan cel Mare University, located in the city where I live. I am learning English as my first language and I have also learned French in high school. Speaking about myself, I can say that I am hardworking, honest, and always eager to learn new things. I am a sociable person and I like to give a hand to everyone who asks for my help, and that is why I like to volunteer in my free time. I can approach problems from different angles, prioritize my tasks, work efficiently, manage my time well, and I adapt successfully to any changing situation. Until now, I had two jobs, one as a waiter and one as a housekeeper, so I have some experience that will be useful for my next job. I am an ambitious and responsible person who is always trying to complete any task that is given, and you will benefit by hiring me for sure. Through the Work and Travel program, I have a great chance to make one of my dreams come true, and that is visiting America. I look forward to making new friends, discover a new world, learn new habits and culture, and to brush up my English by communicating with native speakers. Thank you for your time, and I hope to hear from you soon.